Once you've integrated Copyfactory with your sales tool, you're going to need to create data mappings in order to push the correct information from Copyfactory into the required fields inside your sales tool. To do this, simply head over to data mappings on the left hand side. Over here we can select either create mapping, or we can select new mapping once the mappings are there. Over here we're going to add in a mapping name, so in this case we're going to put in Eric's close account, and over here on the right hand side we can see that the close CRM is the one that we've selected. If you want to change the sales tool, simply select the drop down and you can select any of the fields that are here. Over here we're going to press add field mapping, and what we can do is select the field from Copyfactory on the left hand side and select the field from the sales tool on the right hand side. So over here we're mapping first name to first name, last name to last name, title, name. You can map whatever fields you want here. Now the important ones are, we're going to need to map in the custom sentence fields from Copyfactory into the custom fields that we've created to push the personalized sentences into inside the sales tool. To map in the sentence fields from the playbook, simply select the add field mapping, select this drop down and scroll down to the bottom. In here you can see we have email snippet 1, exactly the same as in the playbook, and we can select the drop down here, and in this case we're going to select fetch from close. We're going to press OK, and down here we can select the drop down, and now in here we're going to map it to a field called customer snippet 1, and now I can press save mapping. Now that you've successfully mapped all of your data points, you can press save mappings. If at any point you want to add additional mapping from Copyfactory to your sales tool, simply just add them in here with the field mappings. When you push a contact from Copyfactory into a sales tool, if it already exists inside the sales tool, you will simply update the missing information. If the contact doesn't exist inside the sales tool, then we will create it with all of the information that you see here.